In December 2021, Bowling Green and Warren County suffered unimaginable losses due to the December 11th, 2021 tornadoes. In this edition of Update Bowling Green, we'll discuss the city's book, The Greatest Challenge, about the city's worst natural disaster in recent history. We decided to tell our story in a book now available for free download on the city's website. The Greatest Challenge is the City of Bowling Green's story about disaster response and recovery. The book, written and compiled by the city's Public Information Division, is dedicated to the 17 people who lost their lives as a result of the storms. In addition to the city government story, also included in the book are stories from leaders within our community organizations that provide vital services such as public health, education, utilities, and business. Our hope in sharing our story is to help other communities that may in the future experience a natural disaster similar to ours. Read our story at bgky.org. You're watching Update Bowling Green.